Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Starbucks coffee cup with a sunflower. So let's get started here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to need the flower. So I'm going to come in my images. I've already uploaded it. See, these are sunflowers. All these sunflowers you can purchase on my Etsy store. I designed them myself. I'm going to pick this one right here. Hit insert. Now my flower is right up here. Okay, because this is not perfectly round, it's like an oval, I gotta make this an oval. That's perfectly round right there. And so what I gotta do is first get the dimensions. I just use the ruler. This is about 2 inches in vertical, a little over 2 inches horizontal. So I'm going to unlock it. Down here's the unlock. Unlock this thing. There we go. Now that allows me to squeeze this. It doesn't stay all in formation. Alright? So if I have to put lock back on, see, it's proportional to its original size. But I unlock it. First I'm going to put it down here and I'm going to find the middle mark. Actually, let's do something a little more advanced. Let's go down here to contour. Contour is right down here. And I'm going to hit just the outside of the flower right here. Boom. Now I'm going to scroll out here, X out of here. And now you can see my flower changed. Now it's just the insides, not the outsides. Okay. So now that I'm here, I'm going to find the inside. These are 2 inches in length right here. So I know I could kind of measure it with this right here. So I'm going to squeeze it this direction, put it back in place, still too big. Alright, let's go right here. That looks about good. Okay, so I'm going to lock it. And make this a little bigger so I can see the portion it's going to be in. So that's going to be... That looks about right. Alright, now let's go to make it. Right up in here. Make. Okay, let's see if it's still good. Yeah, it's about right. Okay, so I don't have to hit the mirror option. I could just do it as it is. Alright, let's do some quick weeding real quick. See how quick I could do this. I like to do it in the light, but okay, just come here. I do this real quick. If you do it right, weeding should be easy. As you can see, it's like a stencil. Voila, just what we're doing. Okay. Alright, now we need some transfer paper. I got this transfer paper right here from Amazon. I'm just gonna sort it out real quick. Okay, so I cut a piece of transfer paper the same size. Now I'm going to get the sticky side. I'm just going to roll it right on there. Don't have to be perfect. That's what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to rub it down. What I mean when rub it down, I rub this really hard on here because I'm trying to transfer this to this type of paper. Alright, so I could use the sticky side. So see if it worked. See, transferred over on some of it. Some of it didn't. So I'm going to have to rub it again and keep working at it. There we go. Little trick is to keep it bent like this and it comes right off. Bend it. Bend it. There we go. Perfect. Now, time to lay it right on our cup. Let's see if I can do it right there. Looks like a good spot. I'm gonna rub it right here. Make sure to press it down. Now let's peel this off. Some of it's still coming off, so let's rub that under. You gotta make sure to clean this really good with alcohol before you lay the decal on it. That'll make a big difference. I'm just doing a real quick tutorial for you guys, so I didn't do a lot of the steps. Alright guys, and there you have it. Make sure to stop by my Etsy store.